In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI knowledge-based chatbot in n8n using Notion and GPT-4o. We'll start by creating a simple chat entry point. Add the When Chat Message Received node to your workflow. This gives you a clean chat interface where users can type questions, and it automatically kicks off the rest of the flow as soon as a message arrives. You can customize the welcome message to match your brand voice, something friendly and clear so users know what to ask. Next, connect your knowledge source. Add the Get Database Details node and point it to your Notion database. This should be a structured knowledge base, ideally in a question and answer format with tags or categories. The goal is to make it easy for the AI to locate authoritative information that you've already vetted. To help the AI use that data effectively, add a Set node to format the schema. Here, prepare essentials like the session ID, the user's chat input, the database ID, and any available tags. This lightweight packaging ensures every turn of the conversation has the context and routing details the agent needs to search precisely. Now, add the AI agent node. Think of this as the brain of your chatbot. It receives the user's message and decides whether to search, which tool to call, and how to compose the final reply. Make sure your prompt clearly instructs it to consult the Notion knowledge base, avoid hallucinations, and rely only on approved records when answering. Power the agent with the OpenAI chat model node. Select the GPT-4o model so the assistant can interpret questions, follow instructions, and produce helpful responses with strong reasoning and natural phrasing. To keep conversations coherent, add the window buffer memory node. This remembers recent messages so the assistant understands follow-ups. For example, if a user first asks about the refund policy and then asks how many days, the chatbot retains context and responds accurately. Next, equip the agent with the Search Notion database tool. This allows keyword searching, optional tag filtering, and quick retrieval of the most relevant records. The agent will choose when to use it, based on the question. After a record is identified, add the Search Inside Database Record tool to pull the full content from the Notion page. That gives the agent the exact material it needs to answer confidently and concisely. Finally, run the workflow and test it in the chat interface. Try questions like, "What is the refund policy? How do I reset my password?" Or, "Where can I find onboarding guides?" Your chatbot will search Notion, fetch the right page, compose a focused answer, and reply instantly, fully inside n8n.